Welcome to the science video, Lower Secondary Science Brunei syllabus. Topic for water. Subtopic Separation Technique video part 4. In this video, students should be able to name the 4 physical methods to separate mixtures, describe how filtration is carried out, and also state the uses of filtration in everyday life. Name the 4 physical methods to separate mixtures. Number 1 is filtration. Number 2, evaporation. Number 3, distillation. And number 4, paper chromatography. In this video, we'll be focusing on filtration. Filtration is used to separate an insoluble solid from the liquid in a mixture. Example of insoluble solids are sand and calcium carbonate. Insoluble solid mean these solids do not disappear in water. You can still see this solid in the water. The liquid here, example is water. The apparatus needed for filtration is filter funnel, filter paper. The next apparatus needed is either beaker or conical flask. Either beaker or conical flask. And the last one is retort stand. Retort stand is optional. How to set up filtration? You will need your filter funnel, and inside your filter funnel, you will put in your filter paper, and below the filter funnel, you will put your beaker or your conical flask, and you can use this retort stand to hold your filter funnel. How to carry out filtration? The mixture of water and sand you carefully pour into the filter funnel. You will see that the water will pass through the filter paper and goes into the beaker. And inside the filter paper, you will see the sand. So after putting the mixture in the filter paper, the sand here will be collected. This is what we call as residue. So the sand is the residue. And then the liquid that passes through the filter paper and collected in the beaker is the filtrate. So the water here will pass through the filter paper and be collected in the beaker. This is what we call as filtrate. Why sand cannot pass through the filter paper like water? Because the sand particle is way too big to pass through the pores of the filter paper. Pores here means holes. Uses of filtration in everyday life. Filtration is used in water treatment to remove solid slit and sand particles from water. So, for us to be able to drink water, we need to treat the water first. In water treatment, there are many processes that are involved. However, one of it is filtration. So filtration is part of the process in water treatment. The next use of filtration is, it is used in textile industry to treat wastewater before recycling for further use. As you can see here, water are used for dyeing the clothes. So with that, we have already finished the first physical method, which is filtration. In the next video, we'll be focusing on evaporation. Bye-bye!